Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install the Apple device app on your Windows PC or laptop, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So let's get started. So first click the start menu on your Windows PC and open Microsoft Store. As you can see, we are already open our Microsoft Store. So in the Microsoft Store, you just need to click the search bar at the top and type Apple device in here. So instead of Apple Music, we are going to search for Apple device, and let's hit enter. Actually, you should see the official Apple device app published by Apple Industry. So here you can see this is the Apple device. You just need to go over here, and then you will find out that manage Apple device from your Windows PC using Apple device name. So you can read their review. You can see published from who. Here you can see Apple Inc. It means the Apple Industry. Then you just need to click on Apple device app, then hit get, and just it will be installed. So the Microsoft Store will automatically download and install the app for you. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. So when it complete, like once installed, you just need to click open right from your Microsoft Store or find later by searching Apple device in your start menu. Plug in your iPhone, iPad or iPod using USB cable. The Apple device app will automatically detect it. Use the app to sync, backup or update or restore your device. It's just like you would with iTunes, and that's it. Now you know how to download and install the Apple device app on your Windows PC or laptop in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.